Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we make choosing the right products a whole lot easier. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kärcher Pro Walk-Behind Outdoor Push Sweeper, model KM7030C BP2SB. This is a battery-powered sweeper designed specifically for heavy-duty, commercial cleaning, whether it's in a warehouse, workshop, or any other large-scale setting. Let's break down how this product performs, its standout features, and if it's the right tool for the job. The Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB sweeper offers a comprehensive cleaning system, including a 38-inch working width, making it ideal for larger spaces. What stands out here is the battery-powered system, which helps reduce operator fatigue and boosts productivity. The main broom, side brushes, and dust fan are all powered by the same efficient battery system, providing a more thorough cleaning experience without the limitations of a cord. For those working in commercial settings, this feature is crucial as it allows for seamless operation without worrying about an extension cord getting in the way. One of the most notable features is the integrated dust filter system, designed to combat fine dust. The flat-pleated filter with active suction works efficiently, ensuring that large quantities of fine dust are captured without preventing it from being released back into the air. This feature is particularly beneficial in environments where dust control is critical, such as warehouses and workshops. It minimizes airborne dust, improving the air quality while you work. Now, let's talk about the design. This sweeper is built to withstand the harsh demands of commercial environments. The construction is solid and heavy-duty, with materials engineered for longevity. Whether it's the long working hours or the constant moving over tough surfaces, the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB is designed to endure and maintain performance. Durability is key here, especially when you consider that this sweeper is intended for continuous, reliable use. In terms of user-friendliness, the sweeper doesn't disappoint. The foldable and adjustable push handle is a great addition, allowing for easy storage while offering ergonomic comfort during operation. It's designed to reduce strain, making those long shifts much easier to handle. Additionally, the filter and side brushes are tool-free, meaning you don't need to fumble with any extra gear when it's time for maintenance. That's a huge plus when you're on the go and need to keep things simple. Let's get into real-world use. Setting up the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB is quick and straightforward, and once you're up and running, you'll notice that it handles various surfaces with ease. Whether you're sweeping fine dust off smooth concrete floors or picking up larger debris in a workshop, this sweeper does the job without missing a beat. The battery-powered system holds up well throughout typical cleaning tasks, providing ample runtime to cover large areas. On a full charge, you can count on this sweeper to work efficiently through long shifts. However, for more demanding environments, you may find yourself needing to recharge between tasks, depending on the intensity of use. As for the noise level, the Kärcher KM7030C B2SB is fairly quiet compared to many traditional sweepers, making it easier to use in environments where excessive noise would be a distraction, like offices or retail spaces. While it won't be silent, the noise is manageable, so it doesn't become a nuisance during regular use. The included attachments, 2 side brushes, are great for getting into corners and cleaning along walls. The combination of the side brushes and main broom means the sweeper offers a comprehensive cleaning solution, effectively picking up both large debris and fine dust. If you're dealing with a lot of corner spaces or tight areas, these brushes will help ensure no dust or dirt is left behind. When it comes to the pros and cons, it's clear that the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB stands out in many ways. First, the fact that it's battery-powered means that you're not tied to an outlet, which is essential for moving around large commercial spaces. It's also built to last, offering a heavy-duty design that promises longevity. Plus, the dust control system is excellent, making it a top choice for environments where dust management is a concern. On the downside, like most commercial-grade equipment, the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB is a bit on the heavier side, which could make it a little cumbersome to maneuver for some users, especially if you're working in tight spots or have to move it over large distances repeatedly. The battery life, though reliable, may need recharging during longer sessions. So that's something to consider if you're looking for a continuous cleaning solution without interruptions. In terms of value for money, this sweeper sits in the mid-range for commercial use equipment. While it isn't the cheapest option on the market, it's packed with features that justify the price, particularly the dust filter system and the durability of the build. Competing products in a similar price range might lack the advanced dust control or battery-powered convenience, which is where the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB holds a clear advantage. If you're looking for something built to last, that's simple to maintain, and helps keep your workspace cleaner and safer, this model is a solid choice. When compared to other alternatives, the Kärcher sweeper holds its own in terms of performance, but there are other products like the Tennant S30 or the IPC Ganso GS60 that also offer similar features. However, those models might not include the same level of fine dust control or ergonomic design, which the Kärcher excels in. It really comes down to specific needs. If you prioritize dust control and battery-powered operation, this sweeper is hard to beat in its category. As for the build quality, the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB is constructed with sturdy materials, and it feels solid in hand. The wheels and brush systems are easy to maintain, and the tool-free design for changing the filter and side brushes is a major plus. With minimal maintenance required, it's designed for efficiency, which is a major consideration when selecting a sweeper for high-traffic commercial spaces. Over time, the reliability of the battery and performance of the dust control system should hold up well, but keep an eye on the battery's longevity if you plan on using it for several hours each day. If you ever need support, Kärcher is known for its decent customer service. While it's not often necessary to contact them, knowing that they offer solid after-sales support is always a good thing. Plus, their warranty coverage ensures peace of mind should anything go wrong. To wrap up, the Kärcher KM7030C BP2SB is a versatile, durable, and efficient sweeper that can handle the demands of commercial environments with ease. Its standout features like the fine dust filter, battery-powered operation, and solid build quality make it a worthy contender in the commercial sweeper category. For businesses that require a reliable, high-performance sweeper, this is definitely one to consider. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that the link to get the Kärcher Pro Walk-Behind Outdoor Push Sweeper is in the comments box. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the product, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, keep things clean and clutter-free, only on Reviews Inside TV.